Well, Showtime is casting America's First Ladies, and Saturday Night Live is bidding farewell to one of its most popular stars. Danya Backus has your headlines from Hollywood.
Great to have you back, Leslie. So, what do you think about this dating website for people who smoke weed?
Man, I think it's great. Because you gotta be high to go on a date with a stranger. You know what I'm saying? Have you seen Criminal Minds?
Leslie Jones is reportedly leaving Saturday Night Live. Jones was with SNL for 5 seasons, starting first as a writer, then appearing on screen as a featured player. People close to Jones say she's going to focus on movies in her upcoming Netflix comedy special. SNL kicks off its 45th season next month.